Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I did a video, and I got a video of videos for you guys. So my front hood is up, the truck's not running. My truck does run, but it's not running right now. Now I was doing a air brake leak down test, and you can see it hasn't, well, you can't see, I see it hasn't moved, so I can go ahead and turn off the truck all the way. Now, 3 points of contact. Getting down real quick. Hi, Layla. Stay. So, I've been in the shop since Saturday. Today is the 7th. It's Thursday. I think it's Thursday. Anyway, back in there was a transmission leak. They got that fixed, and I don't hear it leaking, so that's perfect. Some of the other things I told them about was a issue with my front brake. So you come over here and we can take a look. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's not smooth. It's all rumpled, or it has ripples in it. Let me grab my flashlight real quick. The one on the passenger side is the worst. That's why I was going to the passenger side. But yeah, you can see some of the ripples there. Brake pads chewed up right there. But the real fun stuff is the rear. Okay. Now, I don't think you're going to be able to see this. Oh, actually you can. There's some oil. But let's have a little bit of fun. Clean finger, okay? Going right here, rub your finger right there. That's oil. So, I have an axle seal leak on this one and this one. And then, looking at it from the side, you can see some of that dirt and oil that's on the actual tire. Now, I thought some of that was from a lot of the salt stuff that they use up north, and so I didn't think much of it. I really didn't. I didn't stick my finger back there the last few days because I was going to the shop. But you can really see with all the snow and ice now not on my truck that my seals are blown. Whoops. You know, that really surprised me. Now, I'm trying to think why. Oh, I got a little bit of dirt on the lens. Hold on, go to my shirt. Woohoo! Trying to think about what caused it. I don't know. I think maybe the severe cold from the Arctic blast. Could that make my seals go out? You know, thinking, you know, maybe a little bit of water got in there, the deep freeze, refreeze, thawing, freeze, rethawing. Did it push a seal out, crack a seal or something? I have no idea. The one thing I know is my truck went through the shop and they said my truck was done. Always check your truck. Even if somebody says it's done, check it yourself. When I checked it, I found out it wasn't. So I had to get the shop foreman. I had called my driver manager. And guess what? I'm sitting right back in the shop. Not very happy. Like I said, I've been here for way too long. Been playing some video games though. Got a lot of sleep. Wish I was home though. I'm out here in Atlanta, Georgia, at the Swift Terminal. That's about really all the information I got. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Don't really have much else to add right now. A little frustrated, but oh well.